All right, we got the Kensen Store body hair trimmer. Let's go ahead and give you a quick unboxing experience. Just before I demonstrate, I'm actually going to shave my stomach with it. So I'm going to show you that and show you the before and after. So here's the instruction manual, and here's everything right here. So nice little, definitely the presentation is very nice what it comes with. Here's the charging cable right here. Here is, and there's two different heads here before I get out the main piece. So there's this head right here. That comes out, but this is the attachment as well. And you've also got this head right here. They both fit on the end, and there's also this comb right here. So here is the main device. So as you can see, it's got sort of like the shaver on both sides right there, and this thing sort of moves around. And let's see if I can actually just do this really quick, just to demonstrate the heads. Get the heads on there. So you got this head, just goes right on. Then you want to get it off, pulls right off. I mean, it is definitely in place, but it also pulls off. Oh, and this goes to the top. There we go. That goes to the top right there. So that's the attachment right there. Pretty sweet. You can even adjust it right there to make it longer or shorter. As you can see, that's going up and down. Pretty sweet. Let's do this. All right, we're here. As you can see, this is what my stomach and my chest looks like. If I turn this on, to turn it on, you're just gonna press this button right here. It's on, and now we're just gonna do it. And as you can see, man, it's getting to work. It's going pretty quick. It is nice. Yeah, it feels nice as well.